Riding high when I was king. I played at the hard and fast. Walk away, want me there. Easy on and easy going.
Hello, estate owners. I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Wintakla. And for today's touring, we are here again at Park McKinley West, our newly turned over project here in Port Bonifacio, Taguig. And by the way, the location of this project is at the Grand Avenue, McKinley West, Port Bonifacio, Taguig. And I'm excited to show you our big cat of one-bedroom unit. On my previous vlog, so ang finisher natin is our 35 square meters, one bedroom. So ngayon, if you're looking for more spacious na one bedroom unit, so ito na yung perfect unit na para sa'yo. So let's start. Mag-start muna tayo dito sa ating main door. So dito pa lang sa main door natin, so makikita nyo na super high-end talaga nitong unit na to or itong project na to, Park McKinley West. So, in-upgrade na ni Mega World yung ating deliverables. So, this one is from Philips. So, yun yung brand niya. And ito is, pwede siya through PIN code or key card. And pwede rin siya through fingerprint. Okay? Tara, pasok tayo sa loob. Ayan. So, hello guys. So, nandito na tayo sa actual unit ng one bedroom dito sa Park McKinley West, which is 48 square meters. So, sobrang spacious niya. And upon entering to your unit, on my left side is your toilet and bath. Ayan. So, upon entering to your toilet and bath, over here is the location for your washer and dryer. So, meron na tayong provision. And it has complete sanitary fittings na rin. And of course, we have your toilet. And take note guys, so meron na rin tayong bidet. So, Pinoy na Pinoy. Of course, your sink and your mirror. And over here is meron tayong half enclosure para sa inyong shower. Ang ganda talaga nung toilet and bath nyo kasi para siyang hotel type talaga yung ating toilet and bath. Take note guys, yung lights natin dito sa ating toilet and bath is motion sensor na siya. And of course, we also have your rain shower which is wala sa other deliverables ng Mega World. So, mapapansin nyo, super upgraded talaga itong Park McKinley West. Mas pinaganda talaga ni Mega World para sa inyo. At the back of your main door is your main switch. So, nandito na siya lahat. And if you are new to my channel, so if you are my new viewers, so this is BJ Intercom. So, this is connected to your lobby. So, if you have visitors or parcel, makikita na siya dun sa lobby. So, added din siya ng security para sa inyong unit. Okay, and by the way, this unit is smart home equipped. So, ibig sabihin, pwede nyo na rin siyang i-connect sa inyong mobile phone. So, if you want na nakakonect yung ating light, so, pwede siya. So, super high-tech ng Park McKinley West. And of course, my favorite part is the kitchen area. So, super upgraded niya, guys. And as you can see, yung ating cabinets, our under-counter and overhead cabinets is upgraded na rin siya. So, our deliverables in other projects is kulay orange pa yung ating cabinets, but dito is color brown. So, sobrang ganda niya. And, of course, our sink. So, this is from Frank. Makikita nyo dito, so you can pull this down para if in case meron kayong mga huhugasan is mas madali siyang malinis. Iyan. And then of course, ang isa pa is hindi basta-basta yung ating pag magluluto kayo, ito na yung deliverables ng Mega World dito from Ariston. So induction na siya guys. Diba? Mas matipid sa kuryente. Meron rin tayong range hood, which is from Ariston. So, sobrang ganda niya, guys. And over here is the location for your fridge. So, dito naman is your dining area. So, dito pwede kayong maglagay at least approximate 2 to 3 seaters for your dining area. And of course, here is your spacious living area. And syempre, meron na rin tayong aircon na included dito sa unit nyo or sa dining area. Yan. So, over here, pwede kayong maglagay ng inyong sofa. And pwede rin kayong maglagay ng table here. And on this part, pwede nyo rin ilagay yung inyong television. Okay. And now, let's proceed to your bedroom area. Ang bedroom area nyo, yung kanyang floor is made up of ceramic wood plank. And then, meron na rin tayong aircon. So, we have 2 aircons na included dito sa unit nyo, sa 1 bedroom. Dito, you can put, or it can fit, a queen-size bed. So, spacious din yung ating living area. And, of course, hindi ito mawawala sa deliverables ni Mega World. Our built-in cabinet. So, we have 3-door built-in cabinet. Yan, included din sa unit nyo. And over here, so meron din tayong, of course, your window. You can slightly open this one if you want fresh air here in Taguig. And the most exciting part is your view here in your balcony. Meron tayong view ng amenities dito sa Park McKinley West. Ayan, and makikita nyo rin is meron tayong view ng Lawton Avenue dito sa unit nyo. So actually, pwede pa kayong maglagay ng kahit maliit na chairs dito sa balcony nyo if you want fresh air or kung gusto nyo lang mag-relax. By the way, my back is the compressor. So, yan. So, andito siya. So, hindi siya masyadong kita. Dahil meron tayong nakaharang na railings dito sa balcony nyo. That's the end of our tour. If you want to view the actual unit here at Park McKinley West, just message me on the details shown on your screen. And again, I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Wintakla. Thank you for watching. Bye!
She was just a girl.
We're like diamonds in the sky. Don't you worry, child. Yeah, yeah, except for me. Starships, we're meant to fly. 'Cause it's always a good time.